Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English with Leo podcast. I am your host, Leo. How are you doing today? I hope you are feeling happy and ready to learn.
Hello, everyone. I am so excited to be here.
Listeners, today we have a very special guest. She is a wonderful English teacher, and she is my good friend. Please welcome Anna.
Thanks, Leo. It is great to be here with you and all our listeners. I love talking about English.
We love having you, Anna. Now, before we start the lesson, I have a very important question, and I think everyone listening wants to know the answer.
Ooh, a mysterious question? I'm ready. What is it?
Anna, be honest. Do you like Mondays or do you prefer Fridays?
Oh, Leo, that is an easy question. I definitely prefer Fridays. Mondays are for working, but Fridays mean the weekend is coming.
Exactly. I agree 100%. Everyone loves the weekend. It is the best time to relax, have fun, and sleep.
Yes, and that's actually our topic for today, right?
That's right. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your weekend in English.
This is a very popular topic. When you go to work on Monday or when you meet a friend, the first question is usually, "How was your weekend?"
True. So in this episode, we will listen to a conversation about our weekends. We will learn new words and we will look at the grammar. We will make it very simple and easy.
Perfect. Shall we start?
Let's do it. So, Anna, let me ask you the big question. How was your weekend?
My weekend was really nice, Leo. Thanks for asking. It was very relaxing.
Relaxing is a great word. It means you rested and did not have stress. So tell us, what did you do on Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up late. That was my favorite part.
Woke up late. Lucky you.
Yes, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. for work, but on Saturday, I woke up at 9 a.m.
Wow, 9 a.m. That sounds like a dream.
It really was. After I woke up, I made a big breakfast.
Nice. What did you make?
I love cooking on the weekend. I made pancakes with honey and some fresh fruit. And of course, I drank a big cup of hot coffee.
Delicious. Pancakes are my favorite. Did you eat alone?
No, I ate with my sister. She came to visit me. We ate breakfast and talked for 2 hours. It's always nice to chat with family.
I agree. Family time is very important. So you had a nice morning. What did you do in the afternoon?
The afternoon was beautiful, sunny and warm, so we went to the park near my house.
That sounds great. What did you do there?
We were very lazy. We just walked around the lake and looked at the flowers. Then we sat on a bench and watched the dogs playing. It was very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Simple things are often the best things.
Okay, Leo, now it's your turn. How was your weekend?
My weekend was busy. It was good, but very different from yours.
Oh, really? What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I did chores.
Ugh, chores. I hate chores.
Me too. But my house was messy, so I cleaned the kitchen, I washed the dishes, and I did my laundry. It took all morning.
You are very hardworking, Leo. Laundry means washing your clothes, right?
Yes, washing dirty clothes. It's boring, but necessary.
True. What happened in the afternoon?
The afternoon was much better. I met my friends. We went to a new cinema in the city center.
Nice. What did you watch?
We watched a new action movie. Lots of fast cars, lots of explosions. We ate popcorn and drank soda.
That sounds fun.
It was amazing. After the movie, we were hungry, so we went to a pizza restaurant. I ate a huge pepperoni pizza.
It's the weekend, Leo. Calories don't count on the weekend.
I love that rule. Okay, Now, let's talk about Sunday. Anna, did you do anything special?
Yes, Sunday was more active for me. In the morning, I went to the gym.
Wow, you went to the gym on Sunday? That's impressive.
I like to exercise. I ran on the treadmill and lifted some weights. It makes me feel strong and ready for the new week.
That's a great habit. I wish I liked the gym.
You should come with me next time.
Maybe. Maybe next year.
After the gym, I went to the supermarket. I bought food for the week: vegetables, chicken, milk, eggs.
Grocery shopping. Another chore.
Yes, but I enjoy it. And Sunday evening was quiet. I read a book, then I went to bed early.
My Sunday was very lazy. After my busy Saturday, I was tired, so I stayed home all day. I played video games.
That sounds relaxing.
In the evening, I prepared for work. I checked my emails and ironed my shirts.
Very organized. See, 2 very different weekends.
Now, listeners, let's stop for a moment. Did you hear the words we used?
Yes, to talk about the weekend, we use the past simple tense.
Because the weekend is finished, we talk about the past.
Let's look at some examples.
I did not say, I go to the cinema. I said, I went to the cinema.
I did not say I have breakfast. I said I had breakfast.
More examples. See, saw. Eat, ate. Play, played. Watch, watched. Now, let's give our listeners some useful phrases.
The number one question is, how was your weekend?
You can also ask, what did you do on Saturday? Did you do anything fun?
And you can answer with adjectives. It was great. It was relaxing. It was busy. It was boring.
And always add one detail. It was good. I went to the beach.
Okay, Leo, let's do a quick role play.
I'm ready.
Hi, Leo. How was your weekend?
It was pretty good, thanks. I went to a new restaurant with my family.
Oh, nice. Was the food good?
Yes, it was delicious. How about you?
I stayed home and watched Netflix.
Sounds nice and easy. Let's brainstorm some common activities.
1. Going shopping. 2. Eating out. 3. Meeting friends.
4. Cleaning the house. 5. Visiting family. 6. Sleeping in.
7. Going for a walk. 8. Studying English.
Yes, studying English is the best activity.
I have a tip for our listeners.
Tell us.
Keep a weekend diary. Every Sunday night, write 3 sentences. I went to the market. I bought apples. I saw my friend.
That's a great tip. Then on Monday, you are ready to speak. We're almost out of time. This was such a fun conversation.
I enjoyed it too. Talking about happy times is always nice.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, please tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Write 1 or 2 sentences. Don't be shy.
Use the past tense. Try your best.
And please like and subscribe to Easy English Every Day.
Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.